Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can make beats in Suno. In order to do so, here we are at Suno.com. And if you're new to Suno and you're not sure where to get started, there's a couple things you can do right off the bat. If you're on the home page here, you will find up at the top right-hand corner that you can create your own song just by putting in some details here. So if you want to make a beat, then all you have to do is just say, a cool beat. You could do something as simple as that if you want. If you want to get a little bit more details in there, then you can say, let's say EDM. Maybe we want to put a little bit of dubstep in there. Maybe we want it to be hip hop. So that'll give us the foundation for our beat, and then we could just hit create and get started from there. That's a simple way to get started, but you're probably going to want to go to the create option over here on the left hand corner in the main menu. If you click on that, then that's going to bring us to this page here, and up at the top here you're going to see where it says simple and custom. You can go into custom. You can go in here and you can get really granular with the details. Here you have an option that says instrumental. So if we click on that, that's going to take our lyrics out of there, and it's just going to give us our styles. And here we have a variety of styles that we can choose from, or we can just put in our own style. So let's be in what we were looking at before. Let's try EDM. And we're going to separate each of our styles with a comma. So we've got EDM, and let's say we want to get in some dubstep. We want to get in some hip hop. Then we can do that. And you can put as many styles as you want in here. Now, the results are going to vary, but this is just a very straightforward way of getting started with Suno. And one of the things that's good to mention is that with Suno you get 50 credits every day to play around, and that equals about essentially it equals 5 songs. But each time you generate a song, you're always going to get 2 results, so technically it's 10 songs that you get. So for 50 credits a day you get 10 songs. That's pretty awesome. So if you just need a little jingle for a commercial or for a video that you're doing, you want to get a cool little beat in there, or maybe you just want to create your own soundtrack, then you can come here, you can put in whatever styles you want, and then when you're ready, then you can hit create, and then it's going to show up here. Now it's going to show up here sort of in our main space. If we want to go to the simple option here, then this is where you can kind of simplify the situation. You don't need to look at all of those details. Click on simple, and you'll see here we have the instrumental option. So if you don't want to have any lyrics in there, make sure that you select that. So again, same thing here. Let's try something a little bit different. Let's go with EDM, and let's go with prog rock. And yeah, so let's just do something like that. We want kind of EDM, prog rock, instrumental. We'll play with that. We'll see what we get with that. Let's see if there's anything else in here that might be kind of cool to add. We'll just keep it simple for now. But you can see here we have a lot of different style suggestions at the bottom, so you can also use those. Let's go ahead and we'll just select bass boosted. So you can see that automatically adds there and separates it with a comma. And here we are, we're ready to go. We're ready to create our beat. So we're going to click here. And when we do, you're going to see now that we have our 2 options showing up. It's going to generate a random title for us if we're using the simple version. If we're using custom, then you can create your own song title. But if you're using the simple, then it will just do that for you. So let's go ahead and give it a listen. You can see here that it's working. It's going to take a little bit for that to finish, but you can actually start listening to it while it's still working. So let's go ahead and give that a listen. So as you can see, that's pretty awesome. Like, just with our basic details here, we've got something really neat. Let's go ahead and give the second option a listen. So there you go. That's pretty awesome as well. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to rename this. Let's go to, let's see, song details. And we're going to make this one Electric Scream 2, so that way it's a little bit more distinct. And then what we're going to do is we are going to publish this. Going to publish this one as well. That way, if anybody wants to listen to our music, they can. And if you want to hear the whole song, head over to our Discord channel. So here on our Discord, I'm always going to post anything that we put together. So if you want to take a listen, head on over there, check out the link in the description, and you will find our socials, and then you can find our Discord. Head on over there, give us a follow, say hello, and let's just get that in there really quick. Perfect. And since we're over here, I also want to tell you about our services. So we have a variety of services that we're offering now, and Suno AI Mastery is one of those. So if you want hands-on training to take you through Suno, if you're more of a hands-on type person and you want us to guide you through, then we can help you out with that. We can schedule a training session, 5 hours of training to take you through Suno AI Music Mastery. In addition to that, we can also help to produce music for you. So if you just want us to do the heavy lifting, then we can do that for you as well. And another thing that you might want to consider, if you are a vocalist, if you're a singer and you want to create music with Suno and you want to create and add your own vocals, then we can actually help you with that as well. Now, this is for people who are probably going to be in the area. This is for Canadian users primarily, but it's possible that we can set something online as well. But if you want help setting up your own vocals, we can help you with that as well. We have a variety of services that we're offering now, and this is from video creation to Suno to even using ChatGPT for script writing. So all of these things we are offering now, and we would love to hear from you. Head on over to our Discord and say hi. And if you're interested, then we can set up a consultation, a needs analysis, and go from there. So that's all there is to it. Thanks for hanging out up until this point. Again, if you're looking for our Discord, check out the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree, and there you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations and promotions. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If it's available in your area, you can start a new account and get $50 to start if you click on the referral link. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended.